Hi there, welcome in. My name is Mariah Peace. I am an expert bookkeeper, and today we are going to be talking about how to become a profitable bookkeeper. One of the biggest mistakes I've made and I've seen other people make is when you get into bookkeeping, you just take every client that comes your way, you lowball your pricing, and you don't really understand how to land high quality clients. So we're going to talk about how you can build your bookkeeping business profitably as a remote bookkeeper. I don't recommend working with low paying clients because I did that in the beginning and it's way more stressful than to just have a handful of high paying clients. So I would focus on clients who are going to pay $800 a month or more in a monthly service, and then I would only take setups and cleanups that are $2,500 or more for one-time projects. Those are the pricing. That's the pricing I use. That's the pricing I teach because it filters out those side hustle, not really established businesses, and it allows you to work with established businesses that actually have a budget for a bookkeeper, and that's what you want, okay? I would say you want 5 to 10 clients to replace a full-time income. And 5 to 10 clients, you could be making 5 to 10 grand a month just with those handful of clients. And if it's a simple bookkeeping client, it should take a couple hours a month and you're working very part-time. You're having that time freedom. You're having that income freedom. So I just say that because I don't want you to get in this industry and then build another 9 to 5 for yourself. I want you to get in this industry and work less and earn more and understand how to price and how to take on quality clients. Another tip I have is you want to have systems. So you want to have a system, an onboarding system. You want to have a system for running invoices. You want to have a system for how the work gets done every single month. Okay. Make it easy for yourself by having a system for everything. Do not just wing it. Avoid undercharging. Okay. I did this a lot in the beginning. Okay. I'm 10 years in and my biggest regret is undercharging and taking cheap clients. What happens when you undercharge is people don't respect your time. It always ends up being more work than they say. And then if they do refer you to other businesses, guess what? You're just building a roster of really cheap clients. So I do not recommend undercharging. If people cannot pay your price, if they respond to the quote and they cannot afford it, they are not your client. And that is okay. I told this story in one of my last videos. When I had the pricing kind of revolution where I'm like, okay, I need to get rid of all these cheap clients and find higher quality clients and only keep my high quality clients. The first 4 calls I did, I got no's because when I sent over the quote, they were like, oh, it's a little bit too expensive out of our budget. I realized those were not clients. Those were side hustles. They actually did not have enough revenue to even be talking to a bookkeeper. They weren't there yet. Not to be talking to, they're still in the stage where they could quite literally keep it paper and pencil, right? And the 5th client that I ended up talking to ended up being one of my highest paying, biggest clients, easy to work with, still work with him to this day, and stayed month after month. And the amount I sent the quote over was just about equal to all 4 of those clients, what they were willing to pay. So it showed me, okay, I could have had 4 shitty clients or 1 really good client. So it's not always about the number of clients. It's about the quality of the client, how much they're paying. Is it stressful for you? Because we're getting into this for freedom. We're getting into this to understand our worth. We're getting into this to have a business that is profitable. Okay. So that is my 2 cents on why I do not undercharge, why I do not on pricing. Then let's also talk about time versus income. You want to, when you're starting in bookkeeping, when you're starting any business, I want you to build your vision and understand, okay, I knew for me, I wanted to work 2, maybe 3 hours a day max because that's when my kids napped. Because when I first started bookkeeping, I had a newborn and then I had another baby and then I had another baby. So I was always in that trench of motherhood. And so I remember I'm like, okay, I really could do 1 client a day, maybe during nap time. And so I didn't take big, complicated clients that were going to take 20 hours a month. I took simple bookkeeping clients. About $800 to $1,000 a month was my average on clients for each client for a monthly service. And usually they needed 2 to 3 hours of work a month. So that's kind of how I framed my bookkeeping business. So I want you to do the same thing. Like, look at your ideal version of a schedule and look at your ideal income and find clients that are going to fall into that bracket. So if you want to make $5,000 a month and only work 10 hours a week, that means you're not taking $1,000 a month client that takes 20 hours of work a month, right? It's not going to align with your goals. So make sure you're taking clients that align with your goals. And I also want to say profit is going to come from efficiency. It's not going to come from volume. Okay. I have members who have 2 clients that are 4,000 a month clients, and that's all they have. And they hit their income goal. So I want you to get out of your head that you're going to need all of these clients. You're not, but you're going to have to be specific with the clients you take. There's lots of clients, even to this day, I'm like, no, you're a no. So we want to have efficiency. We want to have systems. We don't want to undercharge. That's how we're going to be profitable bookkeepers. I do have a free 3-day workshop where I teach a lot of these strategies around pricing. On day 1, you're going to be able to learn exactly what bookkeeping is, how to do it using software, the basics, so you understand how to price your services. And then on day 3, I go over pricing, how to find high quality clients. And I also go over a 30 to 60 day launch plan so you can implement this. Even if you're a beginner just getting into bookkeeping, it's totally free inside my school community. All you need to do is click the link in my description, put your name and your email in, and you'll have instant access and be able to take the series at your own pace. We'll also email you over a replay. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If this video was helpful for you, like, comment, subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can put them in the comments as well.